Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Gene here. This is my homeowner association, Norchester community. This is one of the northernmost streets. You can see that people have piled the stuff after having stripped out their houses. Alright, so I'm going to take you on a small tour down Jones Road. This has not been declared a disaster yet. I am looking at how fortunate we were only to have a small amount of water in our homes when I see this. These people are absolutely devastated, heartbroken, and you wouldn't believe the rubberneckers and gawkers that were coming through here. You wouldn't believe the rubberneckers and gawkers that were coming through here last week. And to call your attention, just down at the end of the street. Next street. This is once again, this is Norchester Jones Road in Laneview. This is a very nice, wonderful, lovely neighborhood. This is where Susie and I have chosen to raise our children. Okay, let me speed on down here to Cypresswood. I want to show you something else here on Cypresswood. Here's what I'm going to do. It's not quite 7 a.m. Every single street, every house. Okay. When people start coming out, I'm gonna find out. You know that there's one or two do-it-yourselfers, right? Look at this. Look at this. That are gonna do their own. They're gonna do it themselves, right? Well, I'm gonna be there, and I'm gonna help them, so I can learn how to do it myself. Because guess what? I need a new floor too. Look at this. Look at this, people. This is the famous corner of Jones and Cypresswood, right? That was completely underwater for a long time. Well, all this was underwater. Heck, my street, I'll show you how far away I was, and my street was underwater. I'm another couple blocks. See down there, way down there at the traffic signal? That's my street, and then I am way off that way, a couple of blocks. This is what I really wanted you to see. Bless these people's hearts. This is my neighborhood too. This is still my neighborhood. Look at this. My stuff is toast. Look at these poor people. Okay, now we're at my street. This is Edgemont. This is almost in my street. Look at that. Okay. How lucky were we that we only got a small amount of water into our home? We did not lose any furniture. We did not get water in our car. Further down the street, I'm making a U-turn at my street, but I just want to point out, you know, there's roll-off dumpsters, and Johnny on the spots are already set up for the early bird crews that are already rebuilding. Okay, thanks for tuning in.